So the other day, I made flour out of my dock seeds. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it. One of the simplest ways to introduce people to how easy it is to use dock seed flour in your everyday cooking is to make simple pancakes. So all I need is a half cup of my dock seed flour. And to that, I'm going to add 1 full cup of regular flour. No, it's not whole wheat flour. Don't judge me. To that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons full of baking powder, just so everything rises lovely. Add 2 tablespoons brown sugar and give it a mix. 1 egg, 1 1/2 cups of milk. And now I'm going to add my egg and milk and mix all of that together. Now for ease of use, I put everything back into my measuring cup. Pancakes. Just some little tasty sized pancakes so that everybody can say that they've tasted dock seed pancakes for my presentation. And there you go, pancakes made with dock seed.